Hello people. Today we are preparing a Zimbabwean dish, an original Zimbabwean dish called Gango. It is a mix of different types of meats all cooked together. So today we have beef, this is goat meat, Italian sausage, we have here pork, chicken, this is also pork but it's pork chops. So we fry all these in a pan on gas. So we use cooking oil. We've got these seasoning, these different kinds of seasoning that we put in there into the meat, already glazed them there. And then we'll also need vegetables, tomatoes, green bell pepper, and onion, and obviously fresh vegetables from the garden, cabbage leaves, and some call it lettuce, kale, or in our language kofo. All this is fried in a pan, this one here, a round pan, wok, W-O-K. So let's get the ingredients ready. And by the way, the meat is chopped into bite-size pieces. Just chop them into bite-size pieces. I will chop the sausage once it's been done a little bit, so I can't cut it now, otherwise it spoils it. But everything else bite-size. Right, let's get to work. Right, our vegetables have been cut. Tomatoes nicely diced into small little cubes. Here the green bell pepper, the onion on the side. I ended up adding these little shallots, some onion shallots. And then in here the veggies have been cut and mixed together. Now what's left is for us to go to the gas stove and start preparing our meal for the day. So we put all the meats into the pan, add a little cooking oil, and then you stir once in a while. You stir it. Then just put a lid. Let it cook for a little bit. Right, the meat is just about done before we add on the vegetables. We start off with the onions and green bell pepper. Let it cook for a little bit before we add the tomatoes. And finally, we put in the greens. This meal can serve up to probably 4 people. So we've added the tomatoes, onions, green bell pepper. We let it simmer for a little bit before we add the vegetables. Right, our meal is ready. We will serve this with sadza. Some people call it fufu. We call it sadza. It's made from cornmeal. Delicious food.